वीडियो एडिटिंग करते समय सबसे खास बात जो होती है आपकी वॉइस। और कई कबार हम उतनी बेटर वॉइस प्रोवाइड नहीं कर पाते वीडियो को, उस कारण से वीडियो उतना वायरल नहीं होता, पॉपुलर नहीं होता। सो इन दिस वीडियो वी डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ टू चेंज योर बैड वॉइस इनटू गुड वॉइस। So hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we discuss about a software is known as Audacity. With the help of this software you convert your bad voice into good voice. And first of all we see how to download this Audacity in our system. You simply go to your favorite browser and search for Audacity and click on first link. Don't worry, I provide this link in description box, so you just simply open it, and it's first checking the side connection is secure or not. After that you are able to see this home page Audacity, and you can see here this is the download page. There are multiple options for Audacity. You download for Windows, Mac, Linux, but in this video we download it for Windows, so simply click on it, downloads for Windows, and you can see here thank you for downloading Audacity. And you can see here the downloading are start. It takes some time according to your net speed, so just continue after the downloading. And you can see here it's successfully downloaded. Now open it. This is the setup language. You can select your language and click OK. You can simply click here next. This is the basic information about the software. You simply click on next. This is the default destination location where your Audacity will be installed. So you simply click next. You simply click next, and in the last you click on install. And you can see here it's complete. Click on finish button. Now this is the editor of Audacity.